Bod by the Dee. There's a bod in the park aside the Dee, for the tulloch woods hing brown, for the birk trees shock his lugs preen back, 'gainst the wind he's hunkered down. Though my tales be telt, and my hairskips selt, the Dee is a non-gone story. The bod in the wood, wi' his fur half hid, and the beech in its copper glory. My folk in their spick hae fled like rick, nane here no share my bleed. Yet the snowflake earth aye claims my heart, I am my father's seed. Fur and feather and hoof and horn are fashions that dinna change, and the michty stag on the muckle crag is top o' designer range. Though monarchs crumble and empires cope, like wax o' winnel stray, the flash of fin or the tumbling linn will be there to the end o' day. Commuter chiels with the tulloch peels will be stour and ess and smush, but the trout, the ern, and the wyvern fern will be here with the hurly-gush. When the isle runs out and the gushers sprout on Galaxy X and Mars, the bod'll be here by the dimpling Dee, wi' his preen prick freens, the stars.